Hey, what's up guys? Ali here from isocialyou.com, and in this short video I want to show you the new design of Twitter on desktop and how can you easily switch to the dark mode and also the lights out, which is really the dark mode to me. And actually I'm in love with I love how clean and simple the new layout is. So here I am. It's one of the Twitter accounts that we manage for our clients, and you see all the menu options right here: home, explore, notifications, and then there's some more options inside more. And one other thing, we used to have an option on this account to go back to the previous layout right here, but it's not there anymore. So it seems like for some people they're rolling out this new layout, and for some they're still going to give the option to go back and forth between the new and old. And by the way, if you still have that, it's going to look, let me show you. So it may look something like this. So if you click on your profile icon, you're going to see an option. See at the bottom, it says try new Twitter. So it's going to give you those options to try new or old Twitter. But anyways, going back on this account, we don't have an option to go back to the old layout. So which means, whether you like it or not, the new layout is coming. So you might as well get used to it. All right, so now it's actually really simple to switch to the dark mode. So all you have to do now is when you click on more and then click on this display right here, and that's it. So there are a couple of things you can do here. You can change your font size, you can also change the color, and then here is the magic. So there's a dim option and then the lights out. So dim is what they used to have. So let me show you. So it's dark mode, but it's kind of bluish. I don't know if you can see it. It's a little, it's dark, but it's not really dark. But if we go to the lights out, so I'm gonna go back to display. If you go to the lights out, now this is the dark mode to me. Right, so they've made it super easy for us to switch. They realize people love being able to switch between the dark mode, or a lot of people want to use the dark mode, especially at night, and also it's easy on your eyes. There are a lot of benefits, so they've made it super easy for us to switch. There's another way you can access this. So I believe you click on more and then go to settings and privacy and then display. So here's another way you can access that, but they've also put that in the main menu right underneath more. All right, so I just wanted to quickly show you what the new layout is on Twitter desktop, and also how you can easily switch between the different modes, the dark mode or the dim mode now they call it, and the lights out and the normal mode. Thank you so much for watching, and actually before you go, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon. That way you'll get a notification when I launch the next video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.